Heavy rainfall is on the way for eastern parts of New South Wales and northern Tasmania today, with severe thunderstorms a risk through eastern New South Wales, including around the Sydney area. Now, over the last 24 hours, we have seen significant areas of thunderstorms through southeastern parts of Australia, particularly through inland parts of New South Wales and central Victoria. As you can see from our recent radar imagery, though, a lot of that activity has eased back. We're just currently seeing a few showers about the northern New South Wales coast and through northern parts of Tasmania. Now, through northern Tasmania in particular, that rain has been a little bit more persistent and a little bit heavier. It has actually triggered a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall through those northwestern parts of the state. Through the rest of today, it is possible we could see 6-hourly rainfall totals between 35 and 50 millimetres in this warning area, with isolated higher falls. But the broader risk area for today actually is driven by thunderstorms. If we look at today's thunderstorm forecast, we can see that storms are possible across broad stretches of eastern Australia once again. Much of Tasmania should see a storm-free day, as well as Melbourne and Western Victoria, but severe storms, the yellow and red areas on our map, are possible across southern inland Queensland, much of eastern New South Wales and the eastern Victorian ranges. Now, heavy rainfall is the main risk with any severe thunderstorms. Damaging wind gusts and large hail are possible with severe storms, but heavy rain is most likely. Our key area of focus today is about the central and southern coasts of New South Wales. Severe storms are likely in these areas marked red on this map. That covers the Sydney metro area, parts of the Hunter, the Illawarra Shoalhaven, central tablelands and parts of the southern ranges too. Those areas are likely to see some of those heavy falls through the course of today. Communities should remain on high alert for that thunderstorm risk, checking in regularly with the Bureau for the latest forecasts and possibly warnings through the course of today. Key risks associated with that rainfall will of course be centred around flooding. Flash flooding could occur very quickly as these storms move through, which could quickly lead to very dangerous driving conditions. We may also see trees or tree limbs brought down by heavy rains or strong winds. As we go into tomorrow, the storm risk continues through eastern Australia. Severe storms are possible across broad stretches of New South Wales, including the Sydney area once again, but also covers parts of inland Queensland and northeastern Victoria. Again, tomorrow, the highest risk with severe storms is heavy rainfall, but we still could see some damaging wind gusts and large hail. Our rainfall totals over the next few days are really focused through those parts of central and northern New South Wales, as well as northern parts of Tasmania. But this rainfall is only out until the end of Friday. The wet weather story doesn't end there though. As we go into the weekend, we're going to see a fresh burst of moisture being dragged down from northern Australia. That is likely to drive significant areas of rain and thunderstorms back across the southeast. On Saturday, we're likely to see that widespread rain filling out across Victoria, impacting Melbourne as well. Eventually, through the later part of Saturday, we'll see a low pressure system developing, starting to direct that rain and moisture across Tasmania with the risk of significant falls. Now, as this rain moves through over the weekend, we may see some river rises across parts of Tasmania, Victoria and inland New South Wales. So communities throughout those areas should keep a close eye on the Bureau's website for all forecast and warning updates over the next few days. We're also posting our updates via our weather app and on our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.